follows on from the last question. If you all say things that are probably filtered in your school, have you had an opportunity to talk to the staff and the head teachers in school about why they filter and what they filter? And if you haven't, how do you think you go about opening the dialogue about filtering?
Each time we ask them, oh, why is this banned, why is that banned, they just keep piling on the negative points, and they don't, I don't know, it's like, they just be sort of give you one word answers and then carry on. They don't really sit there and talk to you and explain to you, like, their reasons for why they banned it. It's just sort of banned and that's it, we can't do anything about it.
Kind of a one-sided argument against the headmaster anyway, because he seems to have made his mind up most of the time. He's a big scary man, so it's kind of hard to like.
I don't think it's very fair that we haven't had the opportunity to talk about what websites to ban. And I personally, I've never had anyone explain to me why. And like I said, I don't really want to confront the headmaster with why they're banned, because they're not really encouraged to do that.
I understand that the headmaster has some reasons why it's banned, as we said earlier about the teachers communicating with pupils during group exams and so on. But there's also positive things about having Facebook and things not banned in school, because I think that Facebook's not going to be a part in anything that's shown in the future.
Wow. There are probably some people in the audience here that could talk to you about perhaps how they can open up discussions with some of the schools.
Start a Facebook group.
I'm going to ask you all one more question. Right, it's a one-word answer. You've got to give up one thing: television or internet.
Television. Television. Television.
Television.
We'll come back to you if you want.
Ali.
Da chi'n gallu gwachio cyflwyniad ar y prifadur, so
I think I knew the answer before we started. Thank you very much. You've given us a great opening of truth there in terms of what's going on. But also I think there's an awful lot that we need to pick up in terms of responding to that. You know, organisationally, institutionally, how do we deal with some of the understanding? You know, this conference today, you know, had a couple of things, one of which is protecting, but we're doing lots of protecting, but not much inspiring. And that's the bit that's missing. These guys are going out and finding it. And most of the protecting we're doing is on a computer. It's not on the Xbox, it's not on the BlackBerry, it's not on the mobile phone, because we don't understand it. Just one again, fantastic.